Hello everyone, I'm Chef Kaori, Executive Sous Pastry Chef of Wynn Macau. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy to make cheesecake recipe. You can find the ingredient list at the end of this video. Let's welcome my little helpers for today. We have Zoe, Paxton,
Hi.
and Narissa. Before we start, let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 150 degrees. First, we're gonna start by making the crust. So kids, do you guys wanna help me with making the crust? I portioned out some cookies already, and I just need you guys to take one of these rolling pins and just start crushing them like this. Oh, make sure you get this part too. Okay, thank you guys so much. You guys did a really good job. These are definitely nice fine crumbs. I'm gonna add it into my bowl. So now we're going to add our melted butter into our crumbs and mix it. When you're mixing it, you want the crumbs to look like wet sand almost. Like that. Okay. It looks like that. Okay. Now, I've already prepared our baking ring with some parchment paper and foil. You can also use a springform pan if you don't have one. Now I'm going to pour the cookie crumbs into our prepared ring. Spread it out evenly. Pat it down, and then I like to go over and press it down evenly with a glass. You want to bake your crust for 3 to 5 minutes at 150 degrees. Cool the crust completely down before adding our cheesecake mix. Now we're going to make our cheesecake mix. We're going to first start off with room temperature cream cheese. I'm going to mix this for a little bit until it's smooth before adding the rest of the ingredients. Narissa, do you want to help me with the vanilla? Good. Zoe, do you want to help me with the sugar?
Yes.
We're going to put it back onto the mixer. Mixing until your cream cheese looks like this, light and fluffy. So now we're going to start adding the eggs. Paxton, do you want to put one egg in there to start us off? All right. Paxton, do you want to help me with the second egg? And then I'm gonna go ahead and give this batter a quick scrape, and then we'll add the last egg. So we want to keep mixing until the mix is nice and smooth and shiny, just like this. Pour your cheesecake mix into your ring until it is about 3/4 full. Bake the cheesecake for 30 to 40 minutes at 150 degrees. Remove from the oven and let it cool down completely. Then place it in a refrigerator to let it chill for 2 to 3 hours for a firmer texture. Remove the foil and ring from the cheesecake, and then we're going to decorate with whipped cream and fresh berries. Now our creamy cheesecake is ready to be served. We hope that you also try this easy recipe at home with your little chefs. Please enjoy.
Yay!